Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a full review and demonstration of these adjustable ankle weights right over here. These are actually the Go Zone adjustable ankle weights, and in this review I'll be going over the features and functions of them with you. Let's get right into the video. I actually bought these ankle weights for my lovely wife, and she loves using them, and she has sort of raved about them so much that I started using them myself. They're fantastic in so many ways. First and foremost, look at the design of them. They look absolutely fantastic. I like the coloring. They're darker. Now, if you're walking at night, you probably want to add some reflectors on here, but these are more for like indoor use or like daytime walking because they are dark, or you want to wear a reflective jacket of some sort, of reflective pants, because like I said, these are hard to see, but I think they're made this way on purpose so that if you wear them in the gym, they're kind of discreet, okay? Now, they're really easy to put on. So there's a strap right here. The strap goes around this little loop over here. So basically, you just put it around your ankle, you take the strap, you put the strap through the loop over here, and then you pull the strap back around and you strap it onto itself. So just as you can see right here, it's through the loop and you strap it onto itself. You have the nice Go Zone lettering right there. It looks fantastic, okay? I like the coloration. I like how easy they are to use. They're really, really sturdy. Like I can sort of bounce my leg around and they're not gonna move anywhere as long as you have it on nice and tightly, okay? Now, there are weight packets in the pockets over here. So weight packets in the pockets. It's almost like a tongue twister. And you can remove those weight packets easily. So you can see right here, you can take the weight packets out, and when you take them out, it reduces the weight. Now I like it at full weight, so I'm gonna leave them in, but you can remove individual weight packets or a few of them, and that will lessen the weight, or you can have them all in there and that will add more weight. Yeah, I mean, overall, they're fantastic. Sorry, I better get it on camera. I love the design of them. They were really affordable and they're really durable because like I said, my wife and I both use these, and there's another one. I'm not going to show you the other one. It's the same thing, but we both use these and they do a great job at basically getting the job done of weighing down your ankles a little bit to increase your cardio level and increase your calorie burn whenever you're doing cardio and exercise. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick review of these. They're absolutely awesome in a few different ways. They feel great. They're durable. They work well. They look great. I mean, what more could you ask for? So that's essentially it. If you like this video review, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.